The Ukrainian armed forces are getting serious boost this year. The US is sending 50 Bradley fighting vehicles, France is sending 30 AMX-10 RC armored fighting vehicles with 105mm cannon, and Germany is sending Marder infantry fighting vehicles, and a Patriot surface-to-air missile system. The US military aid package to Ukraine will for the first time include Sea Sparrow missiles, which can intercept aircraft or cruise missiles. Ukrainian military has managed to tweak Soviet-era Buk launchers to fire the Sea Sparrow. 2023 is off to a great start. American Bradleys near Dragodanovo, Bulgaria. Could be part of the NATO mission there. Russian winter uniforms arrived in occupied Luhansk. Wait for the end of the video. And there are informations that the Ukrainian army is retreating from Soledar. Setbacks are part of war, but the road to victory is clear. Onward, heroes!
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.